Next question, where we're told that we have a square with sides of length x centimeters inside a circle, each of the vertex being on the circumference of the circle, with the area of the circle itself being 49 centimeters squared. So we're asked to work out the value of x. So first things first, so let's draw out the diagram so we can get a better understanding of what's going on. So since we know that we're looking at the area of the circle, we're going to need our radius, which even though we haven't been given the value for them, we can work them out using the equation pi r squared. Equate that to 49 because of course that's our area, and then solving for what r could be, which will help us find out later on what x could be. So we'll start off with pi r squared is equal to 49, then we divide pi from both sides to get r squared is equal to 49 divided by pi, then square rooting both sides to get the square root of 49 divided by pi is our radius, which is roughly equal to 3.95. So we know that our two radii come together and meet at the center to form a right angle. So now we can see that we've got a small right angle triangle inside the center of our circle. So using that, we can work out that our x would be our hypotenuse of the triangle. So now we can simply use a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, using the fact that our radii are both the square root of 49 over pi. Plugging that into our calculator, we can see that we get x squared is equal to 31.194, and we'd square root both sides to find out our actual value of x, which to three significant figures as they specify in the question is 5.59.